Mx.digital is a collaboration between Michael Bess and myself. Michael Bess is a colleague of mine in Mexico. He works for the CIDE in the state of Aguascalientes. And I'm a Mexican historian, an economic historian. And together we worked on a collaborative project that would digitize Mexican historical data, make them available to a community of users, but also bring in new collaborators to expand on the digital documentation and digital data that we would be able to make available. And Mx.digital per se is more of a teaching and kind of dissemination tool. We developed a spyglass using ArcGIS that does these really cool overviews of the city of Aguascalientes. We've got some really interesting visualizations of the expansion of railroads and roads through Mexico, and a historical tour of Aguascalientes as well, which is both sort of showing you current day buildings and what they looked like 100 years ago. But what I wanted to point to today is Archivo Mx, which came out of our collaboration and was funded by the Mexican Institute of Statistics and Geography and by the Council of Science. Archivo Mx puts a host of historical statistics at your disposal in a CSV text and PDF form, and it is organized as a database, not as the tables that they were originally made as. So it is much, much more practical for large-scale statistical use. You can find some of our visualizations on Tableau. We also developed a web app that essentially puts those visualizations right in front of you on mobile devices. That's still in alpha version. And we have an extractor for one set of those historical statistics. All of this is available on GitHub. We would really welcome your insight, your input. If anybody wants to collaborate on putting more historical data online, we would love to help and be part of that effort.